Speaking of the holiday season, the rain did not keep parade goers from attending the sights and sounds of Christmas parade in Steubenville this afternoon. Some people shielded by umbrellas, others hiding their local businesses to keep dry. The parade traveled from North Street down 4th Street and ended on South Street. The parade was led by a group of Marine veterans and featured by local marching bands, businesses, and dance groups. The theme was Nutcracker Magic this year.
Christmas music they play, there's nothing like it. Yep, that's the best, I think.
I'm here because my kids are in the parade. I was in a parade when I was a little kid, so now I get to relive that with them. It's awesome.
We're keeping dry, and the noise isn't hurting her ears, and we're enjoying the parade.
More people should think of this.
I think we'd have to fight them for a spot.
Jefferson County Humane Society also had their crew of nutcrackers featured in the parade as well.